Reiki healing workshops for personal transformation and wellness. Explore how Reiki healing workshops promote stress relief, holistic health, and self-care on your journey to personal transformation and inner harmony. Reiki healing workshops, a path to personal transformation. Hey, have you ever heard about Reiki healing workshops? I want to tell you about these incredible experiences that are popping up everywhere. And honestly, they're more than just some new age trend. They're powerful sessions designed to help people balance their energy, ease stress, and improve overall well-being. Imagine a space where you feel safe, calm, and entirely supported as you tap into your body's natural ability to heal. That's what these workshops offer. So, what exactly is Reiki? At its core, Reiki is a gentle and non-invasive hands-on healing technique that originated in Japan. It involves the transfer of universal energy through the practitioner's palms to the recipient. This energy is believed to help clear blockages in your body's energy pathways, encouraging relaxation, mental clarity, and physical healing. And the workshops? They're a wonderful way to learn how to access this energy for yourself, whether you want to heal others or just deepen your own self-care routine. One thing I really appreciate about Reiki healing workshops is how accessible they are. You don't need to have any prior experience or even a spiritual background to benefit. These workshops focus on mindfulness and self-awareness, which are crucial parts of holistic health. You'll get guided through practices that can change how you handle stress, anxiety, and even physical discomfort. Let me break down what usually happens in a typical Reiki workshop. Introduction to Reiki Principles and History. Understanding the roots and philosophy of Reiki helps you appreciate its potential as a holistic tool for wellness. Energy awareness exercises. These help participants feel subtle energy shifts, something many people are surprised they can actually sense. Learning hand positions. Reiki uses specific placements that correspond to chakras or energy centers in the body, which the workshop teaches step by step. Practice sessions. Participants get to both give and receive Reiki, building confidence and strengthening their energy flow. Guided meditations and mindfulness practices. These help integrate the energetic work with mental clarity and emotional balance. What's truly fascinating is how quickly people report feeling the effects. Whether it's a sense of deep relaxation, reduced mental noise, or even relief from chronic symptoms, Reiki offers a supportive tool for personal transformation. It's a subtle but profound way to connect with your inner peace. On top of the healing aspect, Reiki workshops often emphasize self-help and empowerment. You're not just a passive receiver. Learning Reiki can be a stepping stone to a healthier lifestyle. When we make consistent time for self-care practices like Reiki, we create space for healing that shows up in every area of life, from our mental health to our relationships and even our professional success. If you're someone who's curious about personal transformation but wants a grounded, practical tool to start with, Reiki is definitely worth exploring. It fits beautifully within the broader landscape of wellness practices, linking the mind, body, and spirit in a way that feels natural and attainable. And really, in this time where stress and hustle culture dominate so many of our days, attending a Reiki healing workshop can be like hitting a reset button. It helps you slow down, tune in, and care for yourself in a holistic way, balancing your energy so you can meet your daily challenges with more resilience and calm. Before I wrap this up, if you're interested in learning more about wellness, self-care, and holistic health, there's a fantastic selection of books that dive deeper into these topics. You can check out this health and wellness collection for insightful guides and inspiring reads. Explore the books now and take another step toward nurturing your own personal transformation journey. Whether you decide to attend a Reiki workshop or just want to incorporate its principles into your daily life, remember that self-care and mindfulness are powerful keys to better mental health and a truly healthy lifestyle. All right, my friend, I hope this gives you a fresh perspective on Reiki workshops and how they can be a catalyst for meaningful change. Take care of yourself and maybe try out a session sometime. You might be surprised by just how much it can change your outlook.